Bentley Continental Supersports. Whatever you do, don't think of this Bentley Continental Supersports as a Vauxhall Nova spin for gullible squillionaires. It's way more than a stickered-up run-out special, with Bentley having spent 2 years developing it and putting, according to product chief Paul Jones, everything we know about Continental into this car. So what do they know? 700 bhp from the 6.0 W12 twin-turbo to start with. 750 pounds-foot of torque. 209 miles per hour four-wheel drive. Torque vectoring, heavily reworked suspension. And the result of all this knowledge? A car that is so fast it beats the 632 bhp W12 speed, no slouch itself in a straight line, to 100 miles per hour from standstill by nearly 2 seconds, hitting the mark in just over 7. There's a strengthened crank train with new con rods and main bearings, and a softer torque converter to allow the two new, bigger turbos to spool up more effectively before takeoff. To deliver enough air for the turbos to operate, a complete tree-plumbing job was needed, while new high-capacity coolers had to be fitted too. Also, the front springs are 45% stiffer, the rear's 33, and the anti-roll bar 53, while there are new splitters and diffusers, which vary depending on whether you have the questionable rear carbon wing, or one without, or a convertible. And it has the torque vectoring system from a V8 GT3R, the first time it's been fitted to a 12-cylinder Bentley. It also gets the 17 in diameter carbon brakes from a GT3R, the biggest on any production car. On top of all these changes are some new trims, such as the checkerboard carbon dash, a choice of 1, 2 or 3 color hide combinations, new steering wheel and seat, properly adjustable rather than the buckets of the 2009 Supersports, as well as the usual carbon trinkets on the bodywork. Essentially, you start with £212,500 for the Supersports to look like a common or garden Kinty, or you can keep splurging to give Car a run for their money in the tastelessness stakes. Up to you.